Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Marina and I hope you're having a great day. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join a part of my family. So I'm just going to jump in with the video. Today we are going to be unboxing and going through what you get in the Soap & Glory Sweet Tintations box. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. So this is the massive Soap & Glory gift from Boots this year. I'm going to just rest it up here for a moment, you know. Originally £60, it was star gift for £30. It's currently in the Boots Boxing Day sales for £30, which I think's amazing. So I'm going to try and get this uploaded as soon as I can, just so you can see what's in here, and if you want it you can get it. I'm literally just going to rip off the top, but let's just try and do a quick thumbnail. Let's get in this. I haven't even opened this yet. I don't even know what's in here. My friend picked it up for me because she was like, Marina, you need it, and I was like, yes, I need it. I'm so glad she picked it up. So it comes in a really nice tin, really big, really cute tin. It's got lots of sweeties on, and I don't know what it says. Zuki. Oh my god, the smell. That smells amazing. So what I'm going to do is go through how much everything is as we're going along as well, so we can see the value. So the first thing here is the Scrub of Your Life. This is a body scrub, but it's a bit more gentle than your regular body scrub, so you can use this as a body wash as well. I have used this before. I haven't used it in a while actually, but I really love this. It's beautiful and amazing, and the internet's been very slow, so I'll come back. I'll put the price on the screen anyway as they're going along. Next up you get a full-size Clean On Me creamy shower gel. Now this is one of my favourite body washes ever because it just smells so nice. Really love that. And this is 500 mils, and the body scrub was 200 mils for anyone interested. Next up here is a hand food. I absolutely love this cream. I got this in the box last year and the pump didn't work, which was really annoying, but I've still got some of that left. But I'm going to pop this on my sink. Absolutely love this. I always keep one in my bag. Oh my god, it smells incredible. Next up we've got a vitamin C facial wash. This is 350 mils with natural yuzu superfruits. So I have used this before as well. It is a really lovely, refreshing face wash. I personally prefer the Peaches and Clean face wash that they do, but nonetheless, whatever, this is still a great one. I just prefer a creamy formula. Next up here we've got the Righteous Butter. This is one of my favourite body butters in the world. Oh my gosh, the smell of this is just divine. I love it so much. And then we've got a Soap & Glory the Original Pink body spray. I remember being a teenager and using this. This is going to be such a throwback. Oh, so nice. And then we've got a Soap & Glory, I don't know why I keep saying Soap & Glory, we know it's Soap & Glory, hon. A Bright and Beautiful Radiance Boosting Mask with Vitamin C. So this is a sheet mask, and I love sheet masks because you can pop them on after you've had a shower or before, and they're just really easy with no mess. I do have a couple of these and I haven't even used them. I really need to. And we've got a little bath bomb here. Unfortunately I don't have a bath, so I will be gifting this to my sister most likely. And then we've got a couple of makeup items here. So we've got the Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss in the shade Bare Enough. I think I already have about 2 of these, so I'm going to be gifting this to someone. But these glosses are amazing. They're really comfortable to wear on the lips and really just love them. And then this is a Thick and Fast mascara, and I do actually need a new mascara because I seem to only have waterproof ones at the moment, which I don't really like that much. I buy them for holiday and then I'm like, oh, I have to use them up. So yeah, really handy. And then the final thing in here is a conditioner, which I've never used before, so I'm really excited to actually try something new. So it says it's for all hair types, especially those in need of TLC. Conditioning hair mask with revitalizing. Oh, that was in a different language. Leave-in for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's give it a smell. That smells really nice. It's really weird. It looks very, very like glossy and oily. I've literally just washed my hair this morning, but I need a new hair mask as well, so I'm very, very excited to try that. And that was everything you get in the box, and I just think it's really good because you don't actually get 2 of one thing. Like, you got 1 face wash, 1 body wash, 1 body scrub, 1 body lotion, where sometimes in sets you get like 3 body lotions, and I'm like, hun, am I really going to use 3 body lotions? I mean, yes I will, but this thing's like just really handy. So yes, that was what's in the box. Really, really quick video, but I just wanted to show you what you got in case you want to buy it. I know it's all online, but it's kind of nice to just kind of go through it. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.